Is the game over for Shiba Inu? Google Trends show the number of worldwide Shiba Inu searches has declined to a monthly low. SHIB's price is 50% down from the all-time high. Is the hype over? Not exactly. Shiba Inu just crossed the 1 million holders count. The price of the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency has skyrocketed nearly 30% over the past 24 hours. According to the crypto data website CoinMarketCap, what happened exactly on Thanksgiving Day? What did Shiba Inu recently reveal in a mysterious video clip? These questions will be answered today. Further, we will also discuss a Satoshi update on Twitter about the NFT game and further projects. So stick around for that because today's video is full of price boosting Shiba Inu updates. So let's get started. The meme coin Shiba Inu is now close to surpassing Avalanche, with the gap between the two narrowing to less than $2 billion. SHIB had spiked a rolling 19% within 2 hours on the Binance exchange, reaching an intraday high of the 480 Satoshi units. Not only this, today's Shiba Inu crossed 1 million wallet counts. The joy of 1 million holders is also shared by Shiba Inu's official Twitter handle. They mention such a proud and amazing milestone for the Shiba army. SHIB reached 1 million holders. Today we all cheers and celebrate this great moment in SHIB's history. Along with this, the official Twitter account of the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency has posted a teaser of a short clip with the numerous references to the token. The video contains many hints about what is next for the meme token that went through a 180% growth cycle recently. The first half of this presented a teaser video shows nothing but light bulbs that are progressively lighting up. The process is looking more like a pre-presentation of a future release on some kind of partnership. The first half of the teaser is all about the lights, but the second half is a complete opposite. Does this signify the ups and downs of the crypto market? While on one side we enjoy seeing the gains, on the other side, which is also a flat reality, we tend to feel angry and upset. Nonetheless, let's decode the Shiba Inu teaser scene by scene and decipher what could it be. After the first scene with the large light bulbs, the screen fades out and we are able to see two letters for next 9 seconds that look like W and V combined into one symbol. Both letters do not figure into the name of the official token or its ecosystem. The words WV is embedded in the dark with its transparency reduced. Also, while the word W is up, that V is attached to it towards the bottom. The two words are not in a straight alignment. Moreover, no matter how many times we try to decipher the full form of WV, it still doesn't connect with SHIB. To get to fully understand the meaning of this teaser, only the official Shiba Inu handle can reveal it when they release the full video soon. Do you think you have any idea about what it is? Do share your thoughts in the comment section down below. The Shiba Army community has speculated that the project might burn some SHIB coins, hold its competition, or release a new project, or use cases that will help SHIB token to broke the ongoing downtrend. Other Shiba Inu members have guessed that the project is getting ready to release some real-life music video or clip presentation, which is not an uncommon practice among cryptocurrency projects like Shiba Inu. Not sure what is coming, but the Shiba Inu team never fails to surprise their holders. Moving further, Satoshi, the lead developer of Shiba Inu ecosystem, tweeted an update on upcoming projects and plans. He said that he will post a Medium update with everything planet and a status of NFT game for which everyone is waiting for. According to this tweet, he said, as promised, tomorrow I will have a new Medium giving details about Shiba Inu games and introduce the consultant who will work directly with the AAA game studio. I'm so grateful, folded hands for you, Ryoshi and the entire SHIB army. So let's wait for his tomorrow update and see what is coming next. Moving further, let's check what's the price status of Shiba Inu coin. After so long bearish pattern, Shiba Inu reflected some grateful profits. The live Shiba price today is 427 Satoshi with a 24 hours trading volume of $5.900 million United States dollars. We update our SHIB to USD price in real time. Shiba Inu is up 13.63% in the last 24 hours. With this, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.